guys there?
Yeah, I'll stay here. Thank you. First jet skis, now buggies. You're the designated driver on this trip. You can do it. You can do it. No one's watching. 25,000 people are watching. Yeah. Perfect. Tarsiers. We totally could have brought the buggy down here. Wow. Well, this is all kinds of stunning. Look at the colour of that water.
Oh, that is so nice. Just waiting for Jack to get in the water because he's British and takes a while. So all the boats that you can choose to take out for the day are just over there. We're going on one of those tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Sunday. And they have snorkeling that goes from over there as well, twice a day at 10 and 2. And the water is a little bit chilly, not as warm, but you warm up pretty quickly in the sun, so it's nice and refreshing. Let's get an update from staff. And we're still waiting. It's quite windy today. Which is a little bit problematic with having such fine sand, blows in your eyes a little bit, but certainly no reason to complain. Let's just check back in with staff, and we're still waiting. What do we have here? I've spotted an Englishman.
What would you say? Just jumped in the buggy because it's coming up to 2 o'clock. I don't know why I just looked at my wrist there. I'm not actually wearing a watch. But it's just coming up to 2 o'clock and I want to see if I can catch something which I missed yesterday. And I promised you I'd show you on the vlog. Hi, how you going? There are 2 flights that come in to the island here, 2 scheduled flights every day. One leaves Manila at 1 o'clock, one leaves at 4 o'clock. Flight's about an hour. Oh, left or right? Let's go right. Flight takes about an hour and it's coming up to 2 o'clock. So I have no idea if this is actually going to work, but if my calculations are correct, hopefully we can do a bit of island plane spotting.
I've been thinking how our tastes in music reflect our everyday lives. Around 10 or 12 years ago, the trend was all for new music.
So that's the first one, he's heading off. The security guard, who was awesome by the way, he was very friendly, we were having a good chat, telling me there's 3 planes going today, but there's 2 coming in, and one of them's coming in about 10 minutes time. Now I'm a bit conscious because I did leave Jack behind on the beach, and I've got the buggy now, and as you can probably see, I'm driving along the side of the runway here. And I've got the buggy, so she can't really get anywhere, but it's a plane landing. She'll understand, right?
I've been thinking how our tastes in music reflect our everyday lives. Around 10 or 12 years ago, the trend was all for new music.
Awesome. That never, ever, ever will ever get old. Great fun. And thanks to the security down here at the airport for letting me do that. It's small. It's a small boat. In other lists of stupid decisions that I've made, we've decided to go on a boat again today. Thank you.
Oh, at the top. We're at the top.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. I think here, JB.
This is the... Yeah.
Ladder here.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's amazing. Not bad.
Cheers, babe.
Cheers.
One of the most popular things then I think to do at this time of the day is just as the sun's going down behind us there, we've got about an hour before it goes down, is the resort will actually organise these sunset cruises for you, which is pretty nice. You could also pre-select your snacks. Jacqui selected them, and you know you've met the right person when your partner selects chips and dips. So we've got chips and dips whilst the sun's going down in the beautiful Philippines. Good way to end the day.